Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by assessing the chip so you know what repair is needed. Clean the spot thoroughly with soap and water, then isopropyl alcohol to remove wax and grease. This improves adhesion. Measure the depth. If metal is exposed, you'll need primer, otherwise paint alone may suffice. Once done, mask 1/2 inch around the chip to protect surrounding paint and set out primer, touch-up paint, a fine brush, and 1,500-2,000 grit sandpaper so you can work precisely. Next, you fill and paint the chip with controlled, layered work. If metal shows, apply a thin corrosion-blocking primer and let it cure. This prevents rust. For paint, use a fine brush or toothpick and deposit tiny drops, building color in thin layers so it matches depth and texture. This avoids runs. Make sure to wet sand very lightly between layers with 1,500-2,000 grit to level edges and remove high spots. Take your time, because gradual buildup creates a seamless finish. To finish, apply clear coat in several thin passes so it self-levels. Let it cure fully, typically 24 to 48 hours before any polishing. Once cured, polish with a fine rubbing compound and a soft microfiber pad to blend the repair into the surrounding paint and restore gloss. If you see paint lifting, incorrect texture, or a visible edge, re-clean the area, wet sand lightly, and reapply thin layers. If problems persist, make sure to consult a professional to avoid making it worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.